Good morning, internets, and welcome back to another unboxing. Black Friday just happened for me, so I got the PSVR 2 $250 off. So I think that's a pretty good price to pay for it. So it originally came out as 600, but now it is 349. So I am super excited. So let's take a look at the box. The one that came with the Horizon Call of the Mountain game was the same price as getting it without it, so I might as well have just gotten that one. So that's the one I got. So you got PSVR 2, and then that's what it says on the top, and then on the side, that's what it looks like, and on the back, it says stuff. Feel a new reel, cutting-edge performance, enjoy 4K HDR visuals, a 110 field of view, so I'm really excited for that, and advanced graphical rendering. The original PSVR made me really sick, so I am excited to see if this is much better. If this doesn't make me feel great, then I think I'll don't want VR forever. But I'm going to give this one a chance. PSVR 2 Sense Technology. Feel real sensation and emotions. This is going to change my emotions with eye tracking, headset feedback, 3D audio, and high intuitive controls. So I've also heard that this thing can like sense where your fingers are, which is mind-blowing. Quick setup. Jump straight into the action with a simple one cable connection to your PS5 console. That's a huge improvement over the first PSVR, which was a monster of cables and stuff going back and forth. It was ridiculous. It's like they apparently were able to get that thing to work on PS4. Thrilling new worlds. Surround yourself in a new generation of genre-defining VR games. Awesome. I'm excited. And then we got, this is a Horizon Call of the Mountain. And then on the side, we got a picture of the two controllers, the headset, and the Horizon Call of the Mountain. So let's go ahead and dive in here. This came in the mail ripped, which is big sad, but it's okay. We will just deal with it. Oh man. Oh, I think it's already like opening. Oh no, I don't want to rip this box even more, but I think it is. Oh, come out. Come out, come out. Think it. Yeah, okay, just the whole thing's just gonna rip. There's no way around it. That's just what's gonna happen. Ugh, this thing's barely coming out. Can't you're just like right, let me grab on the sides here. Because the thing that the box isn't quite heavy enough to just like slide down, is it? Okay, it's very good, very good. And then this is already opening up. Oh no. Okay, well, we might as well just continue here. So that's that box, and then this has the PlayStation logo on it, the X, square, triangle, circle all around it, and we open it up, and stuff's already moving around. Is this used? Maybe this is used. I don't know. This feels like it's been opened before, but I don't know. I guess not. Okay, great. So we have a. Oh, interesting. This is the. Is this? No. This must be a charger for the controllers because it's USB to USB Type C. Also, I realized in the unboxing video of the PS5 Pro, I called USB Type C micro USB. It's not, it's USB Type C. And then we have the headphones for PSVR 2. So I am excited for these. And it looks like these just click right into the actual headset. It's nice that you could take these off because I don't think you can on the original PSVR. And then they have different nubs for the headphone inputs into your ear. I have the Horizon Call of the Mountain free download right here, and then a manual. So that's nice that they have a PlayStation VR 2 manual. Very good. Awesome. Well, let's see the actual headset itself. let's start with the controllers. I've never actually seen, I never seen any of these in person, actually. I've only seen videos of these. So these are much better than the PlayStation Move controllers that they adapted to work with the original PSVR. But man, this is the left one. And we have this is a L1 button right here. And then this is L2. So L1, L2. Interesting that they like swap those. Has a left analog stick and then square and triangle. Interesting. And then the PlayStation button. And then I believe this is the share button. And this somehow, there's the charging port right there. Somehow this senses my fingers. We're going to see when we play it. I like that there's a ring around it so I can't like bump my hand into anything. And there's also a strap. So just in case you let go of it. I mean, I feel like even it's going to be hard to get rid of that thing, but the strap is important. And then this is the right hand controller. Oh, so cool. So cool. And then this one is X and circle. And then right here is R1 and then R2. And then we have analog stick, another PlayStation button. And then I believe this is the options button right here. Charge port is in the same spot. Very cool. Oh man, I am so excited. I'm so curious what adventures we're going to get with this. I hope Sony doesn't drop support for this right away because clearly a lot of money really would this. All right, now time for the actual headset itself. But also, I just want to check, is there anything else in the box? No, absolutely nothing else. That is it. So time for the main events, the PlayStation Virtual Reality 2. Here we go. The cable is indeed attached to the headset. And there it is. This is what it looks like. Oh man. It's got 4 cameras in the front of it. And are these buttons? I can't tell. So we got one big button on the back that does that. That's nice. And then just like the original, there's this button, which makes it do that. Awesome. Well, there's not much else I can say about it, just from the unboxing, but I'm just thrilled because, this should hopefully be way, 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 way better than the original. There was also a update that just came out a couple days ago that now allows this to track your hands just by itself, just with the technology that's already built into this. It could track your hands. I don't know if there's any games that support that yet, but maybe in the future. Other thing to know about the PSVR 2 is that it is now compatible with Steam. You can get an adapter from Sony that allows you to hook it up to your computer. And so you can actually continue to play VR games on Steam because maybe they always had that planned. I don't know how well compatible it is. I'm relatively new to what's going on with VR because I only had the PSVR, the original, and then it was kind of a fun toy, and then I just put it on a shelf because it really just made me sick. So hopefully this one is going to be way better, and I'm excited. So you guys can see that on the main gaming channel. So anyways, that being said, thank you so much for watching. I love you very much. Until next time, later days.